Tenant reported, the power works, it's just shocking my son every time he touches the light switch. This was not sent to me as an emergency. I don't know if y'all can really read it or not. The camera probably can't pick it up. This is not labeled as an emergency. So you've got a light switch that's actively shocking people who touch it. And I assume this doesn't mean static electricity. I assume it means shocking. And they didn't put it as an emergency job. This company that I'm talking about never puts anything as an emergency because they don't want to pay the emergency fee. But then they want to know how quick can you get to it. And I'm just like, look, if it's an emergency, I'm going to get to it right now. I'll cancel the next job and go straight over there if they're available. Or I'll go as soon as I finish my last job. Or I'll go at 9 o'clock at night if I have to, if it's an emergency. If it's not an emergency, it'll just get scheduled along with everything else. But they don't want to pay emergency fees.